Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 18th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So today is Good Friday, which is a bank holiday for most of the world, but it is not a bank holiday for the US. So we could possibly see a little bit of volume today in the New York session. I'm not really expecting it, to be honest with you, especially with how slow this week has been. Now, looking at the charts, this line right here represents a break of structure on the daily time frame. I think the Aussie dollar is going to do that break of structure before we get a significant pullback. I think this whole move up right here is either a wave A or wave one. Wave A's, wave ones normally do break the previous structure, which is this blue line right here. So I do think there's a very good likelihood we are going to go up, and we probably will get a pretty significant break of structure before we see any bigger moves to the downside for like either a wave two or a wave B. So I'm definitely still very bullish. My structure line on the 1 hour time frame is right here. So if it does decide to go down and break this low right here, like with a with a nice impulsive move, then that definitely would turn me into a seller. But I don't really think that's what's going to happen. I think it's going to go up and break this upper line before we actually get any significant move to the downside. So, like I said, today is Black Friday, Good Friday, I mean, not Black Friday, Good Friday. And then Sunday is Easter Sunday. So, I hope everybody enjoys their holidays and spends some time with friends and family. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.